Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening Sticky Notes immediately. Press Windows plus S, type Sticky Notes, and hit Enter. If you want sync and backups, sign in with your Microsoft account now. This links notes across devices. Create a new note with the plus button and type your first item. Make sure to resize and drag the note to a convenient spot on the desktop. Once done, close the app window. Notes remain on desktop. This gets you into active note-taking within seconds and sets up syncing for later. Now organize and format your content so notes stay useful. Select text and use the right-click menu to apply bold, italic, or underline. This highlights action items and deadlines. Change a note's color or pin it to start to create visual categories for projects. Use the search box inside the Sticky Notes app to find text across all notes instantly. When a note is completed, either delete it or archive the content elsewhere. Once organized, your desktop becomes a clear, actionable workspace. Finish by ensuring your notes are safe. Open Settings in Sticky Notes and enable sync. Confirm the Microsoft account email shown matches the one you expect. For extra backup, copy important note text to a document or take a screenshot. If notes vanish, first check hidden icons and reopen the app. Make sure Windows updates aren't blocking the service. As a last resort, reset the Sticky Notes app from apps and features. This will restore default behavior but sign you out, so confirm you have backups beforehand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.